Hi everybody, this is Sherry Taylor with ATL Clinical Workshop, and today I wanted to talk to you about how to set up a grid. Now, if you have no idea what a grid's about, you definitely want to check out our website for more information on that, but I'm going to give you just the basic foundation for a grid. A grid is nothing more than 12 boxes, so you need to draw out 12 boxes. You're going to draw out 4 columns and 3 rows. So you make a total of 12 boxes. Your first 5 boxes should always be the same. You give them a heading. So like first box is entry, second box is your 20-minute check, third box is your vital signs, fourth box is your mobility or your musculoskeletal management, fifth box is medications. And then your very last box is your exit or your safety. So these boxes are not going to change. They're going to remain stationary for all of your patients. Now, if you don't have medications to give, you simply draw a line through that box. But if you keep it systematic and you put those 5 boxes the same on every patient, then guess what? That's the first thing that you should learn how to do. Before you start getting into your assessments and managements, start learning your mnemonics for those first 5 boxes and your last box, and you just write them and put it on a notebook. You know, get you one of those spiral notebooks and just draw 12 boxes, write the first 5 in the last box, flip it, do it again, flip it, do it again. Keep learning that because that's your foundation. And then people will say, well, Sherry, what do you put in all the other boxes? That's the beauty of it. Whatever the heck you want. It's your grid. You're not being graded on your grid. That's your information to help you stay organized during your test. So you can put whatever you want in whatever order you want. You can color code, you can highlight, anything. It's yours. So personalize it, own it, make it yours. But always keep first 5 boxes and last box the same for every patient. There's your grid tip for the day. For more information, check out www.atlclinicalworkshop.com.